Hey, good people. In leadership, communication isn't just about transferring information, it's about inspiring trust, fostering unity, and sparking meaningful action. Intentional communication is communication that is clear, focused, and grounded in purpose, which is key to achieving these outcomes. When leaders communicate with purpose, they create an environment where everyone, and I mean everyone, feels aligned, engaged, and motivated to contribute their best. Do these three things this week and watch your communication with your teammates soar. Number one, start with your why. Purposeful communication starts with clearly framing the why behind each message, explaining why a task, direction, or piece of feedback matters helps the team connect with the mission on a deeper level. When people understand the reasoning behind an initiative or goal, they're more invested and committed, seeing their roles fit into the larger picture. People just want to be involved. This clarity builds alignment and a collective sense of responsibility. Number two, encourage open feedback. Effective communication is a two-way process. When leaders invite questions, listen to concerns, and genuinely welcome input, they build a foundation of trust. Creating this open dialogue gives team members a voice, empowering them to feel confident and understood in their roles. Feedback also keeps leaders informed, helping them adjust and refine their approach based on the team's needs, ultimately leading to more cohesive and effective collaboration. Number three, reinforce the big picture. A purposeful leader consistently links day to day tasks to the broader goals and vision of the team. Regularly reminding the team how their work contributes to the organization's mission keeps motivation high and helps prevent burnout. When team members see how their efforts make a real impact, they're more likely to feel a lasting sense of purpose in their work. Purposeful communication strengthens the foundation of any team. It aligns everyone towards a shared vision, reinforces a culture of respect and trust. Try this week.